Okay, hello everybody. Long time no see. It's me again. Welcome to my channel. For a long time, I focus on my project and a lot of online course programming and training about the microcontroller. So today I come back with my project and my course. I just want to sharing and make some review about the project and some IoT microcontrollers using. And in this course, I just want to share with you, we are using PIC16F877A microcontroller synthesis combined with the DHT11 sensor. We're using it to temperature and humidity. So for the first of all, I just want you like and subscribe my channel to supporting me. And the second thing, a lot of people they assign my online course for the PIC16F877A. Moreover than last, I also have the online course, another course like SCM, 80 mega, and ARDUINO, MSD, or CSF. So thank you for watching and subscribe about my channel. Okay, so we moving on to the project. So first thing I just introduce about the simulation first, about the schematic, how does it work, and about the operating. So the first thing you can see in this our microcontroller PIC16F877A, and second thing we have the power LED. This LED using this when we supply for our circuit like the 5 voltage. So this LED will light up to show up. It means in this case we have the power supply for our circuit. Second thing, that is the crystal. I'm using the external crystal. In this case I'm using 8 MHz. You can use 8 or 12, 20 is okay, but remember we cannot using the lower than 8 MHz. Here is the reset button to reset our circuits. That is the most important thing, right? Here's an LCD screen to show up about temperature, humidity, and here is a very important thing, that is about the DHT11 sensor. So you can see this when you connect it to our PIC16F877A. Just remember you using the resistor, maybe 4.7 kilo, using it to have the signal that is smooth and we don't have the noise when we transfer the signal from this sensor to the microcontroller. So you can using this resistor, and in this case I connect this sensor, communicate with the RD0 of the PIC16F877A. Okay, and here you can see we have the two device we using this to control like a pump. In this case I using relay with the 5 voltage relay. So I supply for the this motor. I using motor like a pump, because in this case when the temperature is more than 35 degrees, so I will turn on this pump to supply the water for our system. And the second, I using this LED to show up when the system have the humidity is more than 75. So in this case this LED will turn on. So you can using this relay with the 5 voltage or another value like a 12 voltage. And here is the pump. I using a motor with the 5 voltage. So in this case I using the 5 voltage to supply for this. Okay, if you using this relay with a 12 voltage, you need to change this from the 5 to the 12 voltage. Okay, so here is our schematic and our system. As you know this, when the sensor transfer the signal to the PIC microcontroller, so we can measure the temperature and the humidity. With the temperature is higher 35 degree, we will turn on the pump, and with the humidity is higher than 75, so you turn on this LED. Okay, so now I will simulation in this guy to show what it work. Okay, you can see when we turn on, you can see in this case, this LED will turn on with a red light to show up. As you know, we have the voltage, the power supply for our system. Okay. The second thing, as you can see in this, we have 30 Celsius and 70% about the humidity. Okay, and the LCD screen will show up this. Now I just change this. Okay, like now you can see I changed it to the 32, 33 degree. Okay. Okay, and here is 36 Celsius. It's higher than 35. That is the value I set up before. So you can see, we can see in this case the pump turn on. The pump is mean in this case to turn on to supply the water to make the temperature is lower than 35. Okay. Okay, I can change this small over, then higher. But you can see when the Celsius, okay, is lower 35, the pump will turn off. Okay, I change this to the, we can now we measure the humidity. Okay, I can, okay, change it low, it's high, and when the value is higher than 75%, you can see, okay, the LED will turn on. That is so it means the humidity is more over than the value we set up before. Okay. Okay, when I change this value is lower or equal 75, this LED will turn off. Okay. Change it to 30. Okay. So for this project, you can use this in the IoT system, like for the garden, for using it for in the hot temperature or hot weather. You can using it to change or using it to control some device like a pump, like a LED, like a fence, a lot of things in your life. Okay, so if you want to and more information about this, just connect with me. And if you want to assign my online course about the PIC16F877A, just follow information below to assign out for my course. And the last thing, thank you for watching, and like and subscribe to supporting me. I will make a lot of video to sharing about the knowledge like the coding, make the simulation, and more than that, I will review a lot of projects like IoT system or using it in fact. So just like and subscribe to supporting me. Thank you, and see you in the next time.